Alrighty, got another quick walkthrough for you guys. Today we got ourselves a 2003 Tiffin Phaeton 40TGH. This is a triple slide diesel pusher. This comes with the 330 cat motor installed and the Allison transmission. Now what we're going to run outside, check out all the features, all the compartments, and we'll jump inside and see what that has to offer. I got to let you know, we just replaced all the decals on this coach, but it still needs a bath, and you'll see that in the rear and inside. It needs to shampoo the carpet, but let's check it out. Coming on at 7,500 gen set. I think it's got about 430 hours on it. I'm not going to talk much because our painter's doing some work. .22.5 tires. Here's all your pass-through compartments. Like I said, sorry about the mess. Still got to get all the previous owner's stuff out of here, but an incredible amount of storage space. It's actually quite fantastic. Now we do have an electric awning on this coach. Comes out with the push of a button, and it does go over this slide, even though it does have a slide topper up there. It does have window awnings too. These are manual pullouts, but if you're going to be staying somewhere for extended amounts of time, great little feature to have. Got your battery compartment. Only 6 of them. Got your big old inverter right there. A couple more electronics. This is a rear radiator coach, if you could see that. 7-pin connector. I want to say it's a 10,000 pound hitch. I could be wrong, but I'm almost positive it is. 50 amp power service, of course, with the 2 ACs. Like I was saying, these decals were just replaced. They looked pretty bad before. It looks like it saw a lot of sun wear. But the new ones, they look great. We replaced everything and they look phenomenal. Make the coach look like a whole brand new coach. Dump station, probably got to replace that pan right there, but. And then these are all the other sides of those pass-throughs. It's gonna look a little weird with all the, like I said, customer stuff in there, but. You got your big old propane tank, a little dusty. I can't see what size it is, but it should be at least 30 gallons. Just a quick walk through the aisle. Let's jump inside. A couple steps up right when you walk into your left. Got your control panel for battery disconnects and lights. And then, here's kind of the first look at the coach. Let's start up front here. Got your leveling jacks right there, step cover, auxiliary start. The air pumping up, but I wanted to show you the miles. 35,452. So very nice miles. 435 hours on the gen. So it was used, but not much, which is a big plus. Still does have the old CRT tube TV up front. I won't go through all the compartments, but I'll show you some of these up front. You got your inverter control, satellite if you want to put one on, slide controls, tank levelers, or tank level testers. Oh my gosh. Look at that VHS player. And then you got a switch box right above it. Driver's seat is electric. Looks like 8-way. Forward, back, up, down, angle the butt, angle the front. And you can turn it, of course. And on the other side, same exact for the passenger, but you do have, oh, wrong side. Where is it at? Here it is. You got a little leg rest. It is manual. It's not a power one, but you still got it. Like I said. All right. Now, right behind that passenger seat, you got a little area right there where you can flip up a table for the seat right here. This does look like it moves. Yeah, it is a turner, I guess you could say. First thermostat there. And storage right above. And then from right behind this, we got your couch. Now it should be a sleeper. Let's see what kind. So it's a jackknife. And fabric actually seems to be in good condition. It is all original furniture. Storage there. Well, that was a bad view. Let's try from the other angle where the actual lens is. And you can see that goes all the way through. And then once again, storage right above the dinette, same exact thing, all the way through. It is a booth dinette, can turn into a sleeper. They say 2 can sleep there. I laugh. Nice big drawer on both sides. And across from us there, we got your kitchen. It's got one of those Dometic side-by-side fridges, which I actually personally kind of like. Gets you a lot more freezer space. And there is an ice maker. And this is propane or electric right here. Once again, probably can't say it enough. Sorry about the mess. Don't worry. Should be cleaned up all nice like. 3 burner gas stovetop with the nice heavy corian cover to give you more counter space. Same with the sink. Got the additional covers. It's really hard to do this with one hand. It's pretty heavy. There we go. And it does have some type of a surround sound setup right here. You got speakers literally all over this thing. Now, no oven. You got a convection microwave. You can see the tray there. Pretty decent size, almost residential. And then 3 of these drawers. Then you got a little bit of storage under the sink. Actually, a pretty good amount of storage under the sink. Plumbing's not too much in the way. Nice pop-up leaf, and then 2 drawers under it. And they're the style I keep forgetting. You lift up and then pull. Comes out just to prevent them from flying all over the place. Now right behind that, got an area to put a combo washer dryer unit. Now you could build it up to make it and put a full stack in here. But you'd have to do a little bit of carpentry work. Some of your weights. And you should actually have behind here, figure out how to pull it off. There we go. You should have some water lines for that washer and dryer, so you should be all prepped up and ready to go. Now your pantry, not much of a pantry, but it's better than nothing. It's kind of smaller, but you do at least get a couple pull-out drawers. This one is a lot deeper too. Then you got 3 drawers under there. And that's honestly, that's your galley right there. Nothing too crazy. It looks like you do have a pocket door. There we go. Once again, this is an oak color in this coach, so it's very light, lets in a lot of light, which I personally like. The dark ones, they look modern, they look good, but unfortunately, it is very dark, especially when you have all your blinds closed. Same kind of corian tops here in the bathroom, and you got a good amount of storage for these drawers. Not super deep, but good storage. Look at all the storage under the sinks in these things. Unfortunate little backsplash cracked right there. Mirrored backsplash. Then your bathroom, it's one of those one-piece fiberglass showers. Got a decent step up into it. Probably about 14, 16 inches. They call this a tub. I mean, maybe for a child. I'm 5'9". I fit just fine, but there's a lot of people out there a heck of a lot taller than me. Now, turn around, we got our bathroom. And yes, got to put a new cover on it. Same corian covers throughout. Storage below. Nice little window to the side too. You do have a heat fin in here. You're not going to be cold when you're sitting on the pot. Now, a couple more drawers right here before we get all the way into the bedroom. And honestly, you could use it as additional pantry or, you know, shoe storage or whatever. And 3 of these drawers down below. Now your bed, it is one of those sleep numbers. Looks like, you can see all the controls right there and everything. Pumps up, firms up, softens up, whatever your preference is. little bit of storage there, and we should have a little bit more down below. So a decent amount of storage. It is a queen bed, I should mention. And then you do have those kind of day and night shades. So these are your nighttime ones. You can lift that up. Oh, one hand. There we go. Get you your daytime ones. So you can see, let a little bit more ambient light come in, but still get you some kind of window covering. But then you can completely open it too, of course. You can see your second thermostat right there. Got a couple drawers up above. Nice pass through. And then down below we got 4 drawers. I'll open one to show you the size. They don't come out that far actually, but you know what? It's a whole lot of underwear and socks right there. Under the TV, another one of those kind of corner angular storages. That goes back pretty deep in there. That's where you hide all the whiskey. Oh, not storage here. Got your breaker box. And then another nice old TV in here. A lot of people end up just putting a wood block up behind where that TV is and mounting a flat screen on it. And storage right above the bed. Then you got a closet. You got that full wall closet back here. So I can give you a good look at it. Eureka. That's good. That's actually probably a better shoe storage over here. But you can't see. Let's see. I'm trying to give you a good look at it. Quite a long wardrobe rack. And a lot of storage. They got a lot of these foam pieces for the vents and everything inside. And then right under me, you got your access to the motor. You can see all the little notches here to get in there. All right, and I know it was quick. I just wanted to give you a quick look, and I tried to go kind of fast because it's pretty dirty. I don't want to have you see it too detailed. No, I'm just joking, but that was a quick walkthrough of this 03 Tiffin Phaeton 40TGH. The 330 cat in it and the Allison transmission triple slide unit. Thank you so much for viewing. I hope you guys have a great day.